Hello all, and this week that means to video gamers. Video games are something that have been taking the world by storm since the 90s, or probably even earlier, but definitely more so ever since the internet had the big boom. I wanted to recommend a game called Overcooked, which would definitely be a game for anybody that loved Diner Dash or Cooking Mama uh, growing up. Overcooked is a game where you can play with your friends or even alone to hash out recipes, orders to many customers in a certain time frame. You have to be able to make as much money as you can, and if you do not make the same amount of money that you need to pass for a certain round, then you will have to do it again as many times as you can until you get it right. There will be different recipes for every single level that you go into, which makes it even more chaotic if you play it with your friends. Be sure not to lose your head because it will get very frustrating very fast. Everybody needs to have some sort of station. You need to make sure that you communicate. Communication is basically the main key in this game. I ended up playing it with my friends for about 3 hours, and it's almost as chaotic as Uno is to a lot of people just because it will make you, as they say, jokingly lose friendships because everyone will be yelling at each other by the end of a certain level if people are not listening to each other. But it's a very fast paced game, very nice if you want almost, I would say, a stress reliever, but be sure to try it out. I think that it can fit almost anybody that loves cooking games, me included, as somebody who was really addicted to Cooking Mama or dashing videos when I was younger. So be sure to check it out and let me know if you like it.